Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today, we're diving into the soul of vintage motorcycling. 10 classic machines for sale that capture history, craftsmanship, and timeless power. Let's take the ride. 1. 1972 Triumph T100R Daytona, $2,600, Sealy, Texas. The 1972 Triumph T100R Daytona is one of the most charming 500cc twins of its era. Known for its nimble handling and lightweight feel, this machine carried the spirit of British racing into the streets. Bought from the original owner, this project bike includes manuals, a bolt-on hardtail, and plenty of extra parts, perfect for anyone wanting to restore a true Triumph classic. It's got that clean blue Texas title and a strong foundation. Sure, it's been sitting, but under that turquoise tank lies a motor that once sang beautifully. With a bit of love, this could easily return to being a weekend showstopper or cafe build centerpiece. At just $2,600, it's an entry ticket into real vintage legacy. 2. A 1978 Honda Goldwing GL1000, $1,000, Knoxville, Tennessee. The first-generation Goldwing changed everything. Honda's flat-four masterpiece brought luxury and power to long-distance riding. This 1978 GL1000 sat untouched for nearly 4 decades before being revived, and it runs beautifully. The seller upgraded the coils and installed larger carb jets, bumping power to an impressive 85 horsepower. It even comes with a Vetter windjammer fairing, storage box, and extra manuals. The only catch? Tires that are 4 decades old, still holding air but ready for retirement. At $1,000, this is one of the most affordable entries into true classic touring history, a project that's already half done, waiting for its next rider. Number 3. 1962 BMW R60, $8,500, Madison, Tennessee. If engineering could have a soul, the BMW R60 would be it. This 1962 model showcases German precision in every line, the kind of motorcycle that rewards careful riders with smooth, reliable performance. The seller went all in mechanically. Rebuilt transmission and differential, new steering bearings, valve covers, deep oil sump, even a modern LED headlight for nighttime visibility. Though it's not a showroom restoration, its authenticity is what makes it beautiful. Aged metal, perfect patina, and mechanical honesty. Priced at $8,500, it's a classic that's ready to keep rolling for another generation. Number 4. 1973 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, $9,500, Columbus, Georgia. For riders who love that low rumble and raw torque, this 1973 Harley Electra Glide hits all the right notes. It's a numbers-matching shovelhead FLH, fully serviced this month with over $2,000 in professional maintenance. New carb rebuild, cleaned tank, new brake master cylinder, fresh plugs, and a complete wiring tidy-up mean it's ready to hit the road today. The Lockhart oil cooler and dual plug heads add both performance and reliability, perfect for long hauls or weekend shows. This is the kind of Harley that still smells like freedom and motor oil. And for $9,500, it's a time capsule of true American muscle. Number 5. 1972 Suzuki GT750, $11,000, Etowah, North Carolina. Nicknamed the Water Buffalo, the GT750 is one of Suzuki's most iconic creations. It was the world's first liquid-cooled, large-displacement two-stroke triple, an engineering marvel of the early 70s. This California Burgundy example came from a private collection and has since been treated with meticulous care: rebuilt carbs, new starter clutch, fresh tires, timing set, and new brake shoes. It's a rare survivor that still rides like a dream, smooth, confident, and dripping with retro charm. At $11,000, it's an investment in history, both collectible and rideable. Number 6. 1997 Yamaha V-Max, $3,250, Columbia, South Carolina. The Yamaha V-Max isn't a motorcycle, it's a muscle car on two wheels. Built for pure acceleration, its 1200cc V4 engine remains legendary for its brutal torque. This 1997 model, finished in red, has 37,000 miles and is still in strong running condition. The owner added new mirrors and grips, keeping it functional but clean. It's not a showpiece, it's a weapon for the road, one that delivers that unforgettable V-Max surge every time you twist the throttle. At $3,250, it's the ultimate power per dollar deal for riders craving adrenaline. Seven. 1993 Harley Fatboy, $8,000, Carthage, Texas. Here's something different: a Japanese-built custom Harley Fatboy chopper powered by an '88 Evo engine with a Mikuni carb. Completely rewired with a Moto Gadget M unit, it blends vintage looks with modern reliability. The craftsmanship stands out: clean wiring, sharp lines, and that unmistakable Harley growl. It's titled in Texas and runs perfectly. At $8,000, this is a fusion of two worlds, American power and Japanese precision. 8. 1979 Kawasaki KZ650B, $750, Villa Rica, Georgia. The KZ650B, Kawasaki's middleweight legend, often called the Baby Z1, delivers the same DNA in a lighter, more manageable package. This one's a project, but a promising one. It's been garage-kept, partially rewired, and even upgraded to a digital ignition via Moto Gadget M unit. With its compact size, affordable price, and massive customization potential, it's a dream base for cafe or brat-style builds. At $750, you're looking at one of the best low-budget vintage bike opportunities out there. Nine. 1970 BSA Victor 441, $5,195, DeLand, Florida. This 441cc single-cylinder BSA Victor is the essence of British grit. It's lightweight, loud, and built for riders who like to feel every pulse of the engine. This particular example is in excellent condition, backed by around $4,000 in recent maintenance receipts. It's one of the few surviving Victors still in this kind of shape, with a clean Florida title and that beautiful yellow paint. It's not just a classic, it's a piece of off-road history that still has plenty of fight left in it. Number 10. 1973 Norton 850 Commando, $7,500, Jacksonville, Florida. The 850 Commando, where power meets poise. This one was fully restored about 15 years ago and modified for long-distance touring. Upgrades include mag wheels, BMW-style fairing, rear disc brakes, upgraded forks, Boyer electronic ignition, and a Podtronics regulator for reliability. Though the tank and one side cover were lost in storage, mechanically it's spot on, starting easily, running smooth, and sounding pure Norton. At $7,500, it's a serious collectible that's still built to ride, not just to look at. 10 timeless classics, each one a story, a sound, a legacy. If you love vintage rides, don't forget to subscribe and join us for more treasures from the road, only on Moto Market Explorer.